welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my summer morning routine, which is always really requested. So if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Rebecca. I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday. Click the subscribe button to join my family, it means the world to me. And while you're at it, click the bell button to be notified each time I upload a video. And obviously I just want to put that in there that all of my mornings don't look exactly the same every day. It kind of depends on what I'm doing that day, but this is just an example of what it would usually look like, so I really hope you enjoy this video. So in the summertime I would normally get up at 9 o'clock-ish because it is summertime and I like to allow myself to sleep in. This is obviously on the days where I don't have work super early. I just always open my blinds and I sleep with my window open because it is so hot in my room. So I just let some light in my room. And then I head downstairs and pop in the shower, and I don't shower every day. I like to keep it to like every other day or every third day so I don't damage my hair. And in the shower I always put some music on so I can jam to it. I use purple shampoo and conditioner, not every wash because it can be really drying for your hair, but about every other wash. And then I also wash my face in the shower. Once I'm out of the shower, I will spray my toner on my face and then head back upstairs to get dressed. And my dog follows me because she loves me. And I will drink some water and put my phone on charge just because I hate charging my phone overnight because it will get overcharged and that is not good for your battery. So I will just make my bed and tidy my room if it needs to be tidy because that way I can feel more productive throughout the whole day. Tidying is just a simple way to start a productive day for me, I feel like. And then I just put some deodorant on, obviously, and moisturize my legs. And then after that I will moisturize my face as well and drag it down to my neck. I always use my Balm.com by Glossier on my lips. And in the summertime I don't normally wear makeup, so that's why I haven't really included makeup in this video. Now it's time for breakfast. I like to start my day off with a glass of water just so I can take my vitamins and feel refreshed. And I've recently been obsessed with iced coffee, so I just put the kettle on and I make myself a cup of coffee, and this is what I do. On the days where I want to be healthy, I use honey in it, but other days I'll just use syrup. And I place it in the freezer. And for breakfast today, I'm going to make myself a smoothie. I love having smoothies in the summertime. I'm actually going to make a smoothie bowl out of this. We have some wild strawberries outside and I don't know exactly what they're called, but they're really small, so I just picked them and I'll put them on my breakfast. This is my absolute favourite part, where I pour my oat milk in the coffee. It just looks absolutely beautiful. I love it. And then on a beautiful day like today, I'll just head outside and eat my breakfast outside and just write down a to-do list for the day just so I can stay as productive as I want to be. Obviously all days don't have to be productive for me. I can have lazy days where I just stay inside and watch Netflix all day. We all have those days, but most of the times I feel best when I am productive. So thank you everyone for watching till the end of my morning routine. I really hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you want more routine videos, and leave a comment of some routine examples that you would like. I would love to know. By the way, I obviously brush my teeth after I eat breakfast, but I just didn't really film that because I film it in every single routine video, so you're probably sick of it now. But yeah, don't forget to follow my socials. They are on the screen here right now and down in the description box. And I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye! You broke my bed!
Nej.
Det gjorde du säkert.
Nej.
Let me go, let me go, let me go.